Good morning, boys and girls. So, have you ever played a game with a friend and found that your friend had different beliefs about how the game should be played? For example, in basketball, one child might believe that you get to shoot again if you make a basket, while the other believes that the ball needs to be passed on to the next player, even if you make a basket or not. Um, players, the players in this example have different viewpoints. They have different beliefs or viewpoints. A person's viewpoint is what he or she understands or knows about something, including beliefs or attitudes. So, how they feel, what they think about it. Your viewpoint depends on what you know and believe from your experience, from things that have actually happened to you. Okay, so authors have viewpoints and they like to share that in their writing as well. So let's review our story by Tommy DePaula, The Art Lesson. Okay, so I have some questions to ask. Do you think Tommy has fun at school making pictures? Page 302, page 309. Here it says, "How am I supposed to practice being an artist with school crayons?" Tommy asked Jack and Herbie. "That's enough, Tommy," Miss Landers said. "And I want you to take those birthday crayons home with you and leave them there." And Joe was right. They only got one piece of paper. Do you think he enjoys that? No. In this page, let's read, "Copy, copy." Tommy knew that real artists didn't copy. This was terrible. This was supposed to be a real art lesson. He folded his arms and just sat there. "Now, what's the matter?" Miss Landers asked. Tommy looked past her and spoke right to Mrs. Bowers. "I'm going to be an artist when I grow up, and my cousins told me that real artists don't copy. And besides, Miss Landers won't let me use my own 64 Crayola crayons." So based on the pictures and the writing, I can conclude, that means I can understand that the author's viewpoint is that Tommy did not enjoy drawing at school or art at school. How do you think the author, Tommy DePaula, feels about the teacher allowing little Tommy to have more than one piece of art paper to draw pictures on? Let's see from pages 315 to 319. So 315 here. "But I have an idea. If you draw the pilgrim man and woman and the turkey, and if there's any time left, I'll give you another piece of paper, and you can do your own picture with your own crayons. Can you do that?" "I'll try," Tommy said, with a big smile. And he did. And he did. Now, so how do you think the author, Tommy DePaula, feels about the teacher allowing little Tommy to have more than one piece of art paper to draw pictures on? I believe by the pictures and the writing that Tommy DePaula, the author, feels that the teacher made a good choice. And I can guess that from the words and the pictures. Okay, so remember, we all have different viewpoints. That means we all have different beliefs or different ideas about something. And sometimes in reading, that is one of the most fun things to look for. What does the author feel? What is the author's viewpoint? So look out for these as you read.